Most people like to, at least to a certain degree, customize their part drawing and assembly templates. You can see here I've created several custom templates out, and I have the default ones as well. If you're creating parts both in the English system as well as metric, you might want to create templates for both. I'm going to go ahead and open up the part template and make some changes. So anything I save into a part template is going to reappear when I open that template back up. So if I create geometry within this, it's all going to be part of that template. So if I save this out and choose part templates, and I'll just give this some name. Once I open a new document, you see that sketch is already in there. And I can create different references within the part as well. And save that out as well. So any geometry I create in here and save it out as a template is going to be saved out. So if you have certain parts you work with frequently or certain designs you work with frequently, you can create templates to already have some geometry in the part so you don't have to recreate that. Within the options, any document properties that we change at this point are going to be written to that template as well once we save it out. For example, if I want to change this to ISO and then possibly change the image quality, and this one would be useful for if you have a large assembly or if you're working with large assemblies, you might want to create a large assembly template with the image quality turned down. And if I'm working with sheet metal, I could change some flat pattern options, for example. Maybe change some fonts. I can change the dimension font, and I'll make it a little exaggerated here. And so now you can see that dimension is quite a bit larger. And once again, if I save this out as a part template, and then open that back up by creating a new part, you'll see this new dimension change that we saved is part of the template now. And you can do the same with drawing and assembly templates. The format and the procedure are the same. I go into more detail on customizing the drawing sheet format and customizing drawings in the drawing section. So you might want to take a look at that before customizing your drawing templates. But that's how you go about creating a custom template in SolidWorks.